Hi guys. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we will talk about topology and how to fix bad topology. So first let's see the difference between good and bad topology. This is one random pic I picked from Google. And I will also show you a simple trick to make your topology better. So we have this cube and I want to extrude 3 faces from it. Let's extrude it 2 times first, then we will add loop cuts to it by pressing Ctrl R. After adding loop cuts to the cube, press right-click on the mouse to confirm it. Now select the 3 faces that I will extrude by pressing E. So we have this nice looking cube. The topology of this cube is good enough for this model because it is a simple model, but in case of complex models like a human hand, this loop would run all the way to the head. And that would cause many problems in modeling. So you must be wondering how to solve this problem. Don't worry, I got you covered. I will share a tip with you that on learning it you can do anything, yes, literally anything. So first we will add a loop cut just below the last loop by pressing Ctrl R. Now select the middle vertex and drag it upward by pressing G twice. Then press K to open the knife tool and connect the 2 edges, then press Enter. Now select the upper 2 vertices and press X to dissolve the edges. And then press Shift and click twice on the edges loops and dissolve the edges. Congratulations, you have now learned the trick to solve many problems regarding topology. And don't go just yet, I have a bonus tip for you. So suppose you have to further reduce the faces. What will you do? Don't worry about that too, I got you covered. First add another loop cut and drag its middle edges so that they are at equal distance. Now add another loop cut by Ctrl R and place it just below the last one. Select its middle vertex and drag it upward a little by pressing G twice. Then select the vertices and dissolve them by pressing X. Then select the loops and dissolve them too. This will give you a nice and clean single face. So at first we had 5 faces, then 3 and now 1. Once you master this technique you will be called Master Ching Ching Chong. What did you taught? Are we finished? No, we are not. This technique is only effective to reduce the face count. What if face a situation where you want to add a face to a mesh without distorting it? Again, I will tech you how to do that. To increase the face count without distorting the mesh, first add a loop cut just below the last loop. Add another loop cut at the middle of the cube, then press K to select the knife tool. Now connect the middle edge to the one corner of the face and press Entrée. Then select the loop and dissolve it by pressing X. So this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to stay connected.